Hello everyone, you are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to get Semrush API. Now, let's dive right into why you might want to access the Semrush API. If you're someone who frequently deals with SEO or runs a business that relies heavily on search engine optimization, the Semrush API is a game changer. This powerful tool allows you to automate a multitude of tasks by directly accessing detailed data from Semrush. Instead of manually going through the interface, you can streamline your processes and get the insights you need more efficiently. Before we proceed, it's important to note that the Semrush API is typically available as an add-on feature to the business tier of the SEO Toolkit subscription. So you'll need to ensure that your current Semrush subscription includes API access. This might involve upgrading your plan if you haven't already done so. Alright, let's get started. First things first, open your favorite web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. Any of them will work perfectly fine for this purpose. In the search bar, type Semrush and hit enter. Usually the first link that appears will be the official Semrush website. Click on it, and you'll be directed straight to the Semrush homepage. Once you're on the Semrush site, it's time to log into your account. If you haven't done so already, locate the account icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the webpage. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for and select Subscription Info. This section is crucial because it contains all the details about your subscription, including information about API access. Now you're on the Subscription Info page. Your task here is to find the API Units tab. This tab is often part of the navigation menu on the left side of the page. However, depending on updates or layout changes, it might appear under a different tab in your subscription overview. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Just take a moment to explore the page, as sometimes the interface can look a little different. Once you've located and clicked on the API Units tab, you'll be taken to a section specifically dedicated to API details. Here, you'll find your unique Semrush API key prominently displayed. This key is your golden ticket to accessing Semrush data programmatically. Make sure to note it down or copy it to your device's clipboard. Remember, this API key is sensitive information, much like a password. It's essential to safeguard it securely and avoid sharing it with anyone you don't fully trust. Treat it with the same caution you would with any personal data. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained the Semrush API key. Now you can integrate this powerful tool into your workflows, enhancing your SEO tasks with automated efficiency. Spend some time experimenting with the various data you can extract using the API, and harness these insights to supercharge your marketing strategies. Just keep an eye on your usage, as the number of API calls you can make may be limited based on your subscription plan. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to get Semrush API. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.